In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open command prompt on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Now, in this video, I'll show you two methods. The first method is go to Start menu and then click on it. And from here, scroll down until you see the folder called Windows System. The Windows System is here. Click on this drop down arrow, and from here you'll see the command prompt. Click on it to open. And now you can go ahead and enter your command prompts in this. So that's the first method. Now the second method is through the search bar, and from here you can just type in CMD, and then you can see the command prompt has been displayed. So you can either click on this or just tap on enter key on your keyboard, and immediately the command prompt will be opened. So that's how you open command prompt on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.